We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT for health insights. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video first. Open your web browser and go to chatopenai.com. Once you're on the ChatGPT site, you'll need to log in with your OpenAI account. If you don't have one, you can easily create it by following the on-screen prompts. Now, once you're logged in, you can start interacting with ChatGPT to get health insights. You can type questions related to general health, wellness, or lifestyle. For example, you might ask about the benefits of a balanced diet or how to incorporate more exercise into your daily routine. It's important to remember that while ChatGPT can provide general advice and information, it's not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional for specific medical concerns. You can also use ChatGPT to find information on recent health trends, like the benefits of meditation or the importance of sleep. Just type your question or topic into the chat box and hit enter. ChatGPT will process your request and provide you with detailed insights. If you're looking for ways to improve your mental health, you can ask ChatGPT about stress management techniques or mindfulness practices. Remember that ChatGPT is a tool to help you gather information and should be used as part of a broader approach to maintaining your health. Feel free to explore different topics and ask follow-up questions to get more in-depth insights. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.